After appearing at Farnborough 2010 on static display, Airshow Turkey saw the European flying display debut of the Pakistani Air Force's JF-17 Thunder. Developed jointly by the Chengdu Aircraft Industries Corporation of China, the Pakistan Air Force and the Pakistan Aeronautical Complex, the aircraft is designated as JF-17 in Pakistan, that's Joint Fighter 17, and as FC-1 in China, an abbreviation of Fighter China 1. Developed primarily to meet the requirements of the Pakistan Air Force, JF-17 is a low-cost, multi-role combat aircraft and was seen as the ideal replacement for its ageing mixed fleet of Nanchang A5, Chengdu F-7s and Dassault Mirage 3 and 5 fighters.